This video shows a mature leaf from an aloe vera plant. I am going to show you how to harvest the aloe vera gel to be used. First, we're going to cut off the ends. You notice there's sharp teeth on the edges of this leaf. We're also going to go ahead and cut off these sharp teeth so you don't cut yourself. I try to take as little of the leaf as possible when I cut these off. Notice all the aloe vera gel inside of that plant, or inside of that leaf. Now we're going to take a sharp knife, and just like we're going to fillet a fish, we're going to cut into the middle of those two leaf halves, and we're going to cut right down the middle of that leaf. Now we have two halves, each one having aloe vera gel on it. Here I'm going to take a butter knife to scrape the aloe vera gel off of each leaf half. You can gently do this. Try not to rip the leaf itself. You just want to scrape the gel out. You can also use your sharp knife if you'd like. I scrape it off onto a plate. I'll be doing this for both sides of the leaves, or leaf. After you're finished doing that, you have aloe vera gel that is ready to be used. It's safe, it's effective, it's very slimy as you see. Aloe vera gel is used for skincare such as sunburns and burns, moisturizing, soothing dry skin, and treating acne and psoriasis. It reduces inflammation and promotes healing. Aloe vera also has antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Aloe vera can also be used for digestive issues, oral health, hair conditioning and growth. It's an immune booster, and it can be used as an intimate personal lubricant. You can see how stretchy and slimy it is. Aloe vera gel may not be suitable for everyone. So you may want to talk to your medical doctor before, if you want to try to use it for digestive issues. Sometimes I get a little bit of leaf in this, and that's just perfectly fine. I just leave it. Here I show harvesting a small baby leaf. And I do the same process. I cut off the ends. I cut off the teeth, and I cut it down the middle to expose the aloe vera gel, and then I will scrape it out again. I like to use the small ones, the baby leaves, for my sunburns or moisturizers, because that's all I need. You know, You only need just a little bit. One little leaf has enough gel to cover a large part of your body. And if you cut too many leaves off of your aloe vera plant, the plant will suffer and may even die. So you want to take as little as possible from your plant, and preferably always just take what you need in that moment. I did harvest many leaves from I have a few or a couple aloe vera plants. So I did harvest many leaves off of them this time. You'll see pretty soon. The only reason I did that is because they had never been trimmed back and they were getting really overgrown and lopsided, so I needed to harvest some of their leaves to try to have them grow straighter. Here's a picture of the aloe vera gel I took out of the small leaf. Here's a bowl of all the aloe vera gel I harvested from many leaves that I harvested. And here's the pile of leaves that I ended up with. So aloe vera gel is best when it's freshly harvested from your plant. If the aloe vera gel gets oxidized, it will lose its health benefits. Always try to use it fresh. Thanks for watching.